Welcome friends to Out and About Reviews. Today we are going to review the BOYA by-MM1 shotgun microphone and compare its quality and results with the generic Chinese UHF wireless microphone and with the BOYA M1 wired lav microphone. So let's get on with it. Let's do the unboxing first and have a look at the overall packaging of the BOYA by-MM1 universal cardioid microphone. It's made in China and it is compatible with smartphones, with tablets, DSLR cameras and camcorders. And it is a compact and lightweight microphone, and it is a directional microphone because it's a shotgun microphone. So the quality and the range or the output quality depends on your direction in which it is placed. The best quality audio can be achieved with directing it towards a proper direction. It's compact and lightweight, rugged, made of metal. And one very good thing about this microphone is that it does not require battery, and it takes its power from either the smartphone or the camcorder or the DSLR into which it is plugged in for the purpose of recording. It also comes with a wind muff or a dead cat, as they call it, to filter out unwanted noises, especially of wind, of air conditioners and fans running. It comes with two plugs, with a 3.5 mm TRS and a TRRS connector. Now for an iPhone or other mobile phones, you will have to connect it to the TRRS connector plug, which I'll be showing you in a moment. And for the camcorders and DSLR, sorry for the slip of tongue, you will have to connect it using the TRS 3.5 mm plug. It weighs at a mere 86 grams, so which is quite light for mounting it onto your cameras or onto camcorders without feeling the weight of it. And it's a pretty handy mic. Now let's go ahead and check the results. Now as we get it out of the box, let's see what it comes with. And Alright, as you can see, it comes with a few stickers of BOYA and a warranty card. It shows it is manufactured by the Shenzhen Jias Photo Industry Limited. So this is a limited warranty card with the terms and conditions, an operation booklet or an operation manual, in English, and Chinese, of course, since it is made in China. So we'll keep that aside. Now, like I said, it comes with a wind muff or a dead cat. Now the microphone is embedded in it, which you can just pull out nice and easy by just twisting it. All right. And now this is the microphone, the shotgun microphone. Very well built, very neatly made, and this is a port in which you will be plugging the two cables one by one depending on your use. All right, let's put these aside. Now these are the two cables that come with it. This, as you see, is a TRS cable, which will be used for your cameras, camcorders, video cameras and any other such equipment. While one part of the cable goes into the microphone, since this is a cable for the camcorder, This part of the cable will go into the camcorder, video recorder, or DSLR camera, yeah, anything of that sort. Now the other cable that comes is specifically marked with microphone or smartphone. All right, so you'll be using it with your iPhone, with your Samsung, using their adapters, or without adapters if there is a provision for that. And once again, this part goes into the microphone, and this part TRRS plug this is, yeah, because of the 3 bending here, this goes into your smartphone. All right, it also comes with a stand for you to mount your mic. So you need to mount it in this area here, nice and easy, and it fits in very well. And you can fix this on a cold shoe on your camera or on your smartphone using the provision here to mount it on your tripod or camera. And just like this, we are mounting it onto a tripod, and you can mount it like this. All right, yeah, that's better. Okay, and then what we get with it is silica gel. Of course, we can't use it for anything constructive in this, and a quality checked certificate. And finally, we have a pouch, a nice neat pouch for you to carry your MM1. Right, let's go ahead and test the audio quality, and I'll leave it to you to decide which out of the 3 microphones is the one that you would prefer. Towards the end of the video, I'll give my opinion, and in the comments below, I'll love for you to let me know which microphone is the one that you will be considering for use. Let's get on. We'll begin our recording first with the UHF wireless microphone. This microphone, I picked it up from AliExpress, and it cost me $30 US and delivered all the way here to Dubai. It's a very easy microphone to use, and you can plug this part of the microphone into your smartphone or camera, and this is the mic, and this being the receiver. So let's get on with it and check first the UHF wireless generic microphone. This test recording is using the UHF wireless microphone for sound clarity, audio quality. This is a test using the UHF microphone generic purchased from AliExpress to check the sound quality and the audio quality. This is the generic microphone test, now coming to an end. Now for our second recording, we are going to use the BOYA M1 wired lavalier microphone, which has the functionality of toggling between your camera and your smartphone. Okay, if I can find that side of the... All right, now this is the one. Okay, you can alternate between your camera and the smartphone, and you don't need to have another jack or another audio adapter for this. Let's go ahead and test the sound quality of the BOYA M1 wired lav microphone. I'm now conducting this audio test using the BOYA M1 wired microphone. BOYA M1 wired microphone, purchased from Amazon UAE, and it cost me roughly $20, almost the same price as the BOYA BY-MM1 shotgun microphone. I'm testing the sound quality using the BOYA M1 wired lav microphone. Now this recording comes to an end. Now I'm conducting the test using the BOYA by-MM1 shotgun microphone for sound quality, audio clarity. Testing with the BOYA by-MM1 shotgun microphone without the wind muff. The second part of this will be using the wind muff for the BOYA by-MM1 shotgun microphone. This recording now comes to an end. Recording once again with the BOYA by-MM1 shotgun microphone, but this time with the wind muff or the dead cat on the mic to see if there is any change in the audio quality. But I would recommend that this wind muff be used outdoors to reduce wind noise and noise of surroundings like traffic and large crowds of people that you do not want to capture in your audio. And let's see how the quality is using the BOYA by-MM1 with the wind muff on. This recording now comes to an end. Alright guys, it's now time to pass a judgment. We'll first go with the results of the UHF wireless microphone generic. Well, I found that the output was more on the mono side than on the stereophonic side, and it did filter out surrounding noises of the fan which is running in my room and the air conditioner quite well. But I felt that the audio quality is mono and not that exciting as compared to the other two. Now, as far as the BOYA M1 wired lav microphone is concerned, the recording was loud and clear. It was loud as compared to the wireless one, and but the thing is that I did feel a lot of surrounding noise being picked up, a lot of white noise being picked up, although there was very much there was a lot of clarity in the recording, in the audio, but I did feel that it did pick up the surrounding noises, and the filtration was a bit low with this one as compared to the wireless. Though the recording is stereo and not mono. Well, the king for the day was the BOYA by-MM1, used with muff and without muff. Equally, the sound quality was exceptional. Honestly speaking, I would compare it to the Rode Wireless Go at 1/4 the price. And I may have forgotten to mention that I picked this up at $20 from Amazon UAE. My vote goes to the BOYA by-MM1 shotgun microphone. Please leave your comments and your vote for which of the three microphones are better, as we ended up reviewing not one but three microphones. Please subscribe to the channel if you have not already subscribed for more exciting videos, and do press the bell icon to receive notification of new and upcoming videos. Till then, take care of yourself.